Hey guys, listen. Wisdom is the quiet strength that comes from experience, reflection, and understanding. It is not simply about knowing facts, but about seeing beyond the surface, recognizing the deeper truths of life, and making thoughtful choice. A wise person learn from both ex- both success and failure. They listen more than they speak and seek clarity over judgment. Wisdom guide us to act with compassion, patience, and humility, helping us to navigate life life's challenges with act with grace and purpose. It grows not from age alone, but from an open heart and a mind willing to learn. That's it, guys. Have a nice day, everyone. Nauri sa mga bukid ba, probinsya na. Oh, maro to. Alis ako. Bye.